Hi students, my name is Jade Leon and I'm here to talk to you about the FCAT. To you, it may seem like this big test, but I don't think of it like that. It may depend on if you pass or not, but just think of it as a regular test. You always want to do your best. And here are my top 5 tips. Tip number 1, if you think you're going to be cold, wear pants and a jacket. Because you're just going to focus well if you feel comfortable. Tip number 2, drink water and go to the bathroom before you go to school. Because you are not allowed to go to the bathroom or drink water during the FCAT. Tip number 3, eat breakfast. Don't skip it because you're going to be hungry and that's all you're going to be able to think about is food. Tip number 4, just do your best. If you're having trouble with one question, skip it. When you're done with the entire test, go back and then you can take your time on that one if you have time left. And then tip number 5. All I can say is to listen to your teachers. If you don't, your test score may be invalidated and it will not get scored. Listen to everything they say. Don't do something that they didn't tell you to do yet. Even if you know that's going to happen next, don't do it until the teachers tell you to do it. And the last thing I have to say, I wish you luck from me personally on your FCAT. Your FCAT, your test, your scores. Good luck, students. Students, good luck. Personally from me.